Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Novelah in your iPhone. So to do this is pretty simple. Head on to the application right here, and as you can see, all you have to do is go to me right here. So here you have my invitation code, which you can copy and use as of now. So as you can see, I
Borrowing
already have
10,000
a balance
pesos
of
with a daily
just
interest rate of 300 pesos.
since ads are non-skippable in this application. So as you can see right here, I have a lot of points and I have income of a lot. So to redeem this is pretty simple. You can either collect it through the VIP benefits right here, or you can actually only redeem this truly your 9.9 million points, as you can see right here, by going to an Android phone and redeeming it there. So you just log in your account there, and then you will be having your redeem button right here in the points record button. So that is how you redeem your points here in Novelah using your iPhone. So you can only use here your VIP selection. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.